Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to talk about vintage beads. And at the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you some beads that are in my collection and then some beads that I had and wish I still had. Okay, so right here, these are the oldest beads in my collection. And these are like one of my favorites right here. They're like two-sided. Oh, I love those so much. And I also have these, which I've never seen these since I bought these a long time ago. And they have these little gummy bears. They're so cute. But I love those freaking letter beads. Like, I haven't used them because I can't find any more. So these are second oldest in my collection for sure. And these have these like really cool stars. And I just like the mix of the clear and neon. Okay, if you remember from the first video, or the first picture, these were the beads that were on the handle of the bucket. And I still have a few of those. And these are Lisa Frank charms that came in the bead kits, which you'll see in some of the photos here. These Lisa Frank Bead Mania bead kits were the coolest ever. I wish they would do a release of some new ones today because we desperately need these. There's so many unique beads and charms, like it's unreal. I've never seen anything like it. And lastly, Rose Art made bead kits too. I don't know, I feel like these are around the same time and maybe they were competing with the Lisa Frank kits, but these were pretty cool too, and I could only find this picture online. But I remember these having lots of like fun letter beads. But yeah, so I want to share this with you guys and I hope you enjoyed this little video. See you next time.